WT0486, Carolina Palakay, 27 years old, married, college graduate, 2 years experience housemate in the Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
Hello ma'am, hello sir. My name is Carolina Tamonte and I'm from Cavite. I am married and I have one son. He is 10 months old.
How many hours travel going to Manila?
2 to 3 hours away from Manila, depending if there is a traffic jam.
If with children, who will take care of them?
My husband and my mother.
Tell me something about your housemaid experience in the Philippines.
I do household chores like washing, cleaning the house, ironing clothes. I also water their garden and prepare meals for my employers and kids.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
Yes, I know some Chinese recipes.
What are your hobbies?
I love dancing, singing. I also love reading during my spare time.
Very good. Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes.
How about the elderly?
Yes.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, I do, ma'am.